yearbook kids, just want to make a quick video explaining a couple things here on this assignment. So we'll go over this in class when I see you this week in more in depth, but especially B students, I want you guys to get started on this. So please read through this carefully. So basically the overall point of doing this assignment is to get our templates made. So editors, you'll be making templates. And staff members, so the rest of you who are not editors, you will be working on making a practice page so you can really learn the ins and outs of how Pictavo works. I'll link this video here for you to watch at your leisure, and then your page needs to have a headline. So that's where we have something that kind of matches our theme. Look at last year's yearbooks or look online. Then a subheading, so whatever person you choose to make your page on. So remember, you're choosing a partner, and then you are making a page all about your partner's life or a specific aspect of their life or whatever. It can be someone in your book, or it could be just like a friend outside of class, a sibling. I don't know, you could do it your dog if you wanted to. It really doesn't matter. Just pick someone else to make a page on. So then your subheading will be your partner's name. You need to have at least 10 photos of your partner, so you either need to be able to take those photos, or you need to be able to get them, have them send them to you, or maybe you have them in your own photo library if it's a close friend. Make sure you use the practice folder or the practice pages folder. I'll show you Pictavo in a second. And then you need to have some captions, and there's more info here. This is 30 points. You can look exactly how you'll be graded here, and then it is due next Wednesday. So we'll be working on this in class when I see you before then, but then this is also going to be your at-home assignment. Each of your names are here with the specific pages that you need to work on. Editors too. I got a couple editors I need to talk to in class, but they're in A group, so it'll work out. And then I've even linked the writing captions and the template design for you. So remember, this page is for you to learn how to use Pictavo, but it also should look nice. This page should have a good flow, a good layout, a quality page that proves to me that you've kind of learned how Pictavo works a little bit at least. So Pictavo, when you get there, you can use this on any device really. Just Google Pictavo. Remember, your login is your school email, and then your password is 1234 unless you've changed it. So if you went in and changed your password, it's whatever you changed it to. So you'll log on, and initially you will be on your dashboard. I cleaned everything up over MEA break, so all those like hideous pages we made in class a couple weeks ago, they're gone. I've deleted all those weird pictures y'all uploaded, so it should be ready to go. So you're going to want to go to the ladder. And then remember, on this assignment sheet I said exactly what page for you to work on, so find your page. Mine's being a little bit slow right now. Remember, if you click up here, you can change your view. So if you want it to be more of a list, if you want your pages like this, whatever you want. I like this view so I can see all the pages. So let's just say hypothetically I was on 10 or 11. So I'll double click on the page and I'm on the page. You'll notice that my page looks a little different. I added these grids. I think that's super helpful. So if you click this button down here, it looks like a gear. Make sure you're in Picas here. I put show rulers and show the alignment grid. Also, if you snap to alignment grid, it's going to be way easier to move your elements once you put them on the page. And again, we'll talk about this in class when I see you, but for B kids, if this helps you, like this like ruler and this grid, please do so. Look at my settings here, but having all this on here is really helpful. And then you'll just be able to start making your page. So kind of just play around with this. There's backgrounds, there's templates. You can add your own photo boxes, right? So you can take a photo box, put it on here, move it. If you see when I move it, it's kind of glitchy. That's because I snapped it, so it's only going to let me place it on one of these lines, which is really nice. Remember, this will come up if there's some sort of problem. So this says the object is close to trim edge and may be trimmed off. So that's just telling me that this is really close to the gutter, and it wants me to just be careful with that. So, all right, so I can put my stuff on here, right? I can even go to photos here, and this is how I will upload my photos. So if you go to photos, candids, and then practice pages, you'll see us here. So open up the practice pages and then click upload, and you can upload your pictures. So you have to save, and then you can upload your pictures. So just start working on this. B students, we'll talk about this more in depth later. And A students, if by chance you are watching, we did review this all in class on Monday. So again, take a look at this, see what page you're on. B students, I'm just asking that you get a little bit started on this. Figure out what page you're on, read this assignment sheet, and just spend a little bit of time starting to think about, maybe pick your partner and get some photos, and then we will talk about this more in depth Friday in class, and you'll have some work time. So let me know if you have questions, but I'll see you later in the week.